Everyone, it's Kendall, and today I am going to be removing all of the hair color from my hair. I'm going to be using Color Oops to remove all of the hair color from my hair. Now, I've used this brand before and I've had great results in the past, so hopefully I will have great results today. I'm going to try to remove all of the purple in my hair and then the black hair dye that I put in my hair in January, so not all of my hair is going to be blonde by the end of this. I'm hoping it'll look blonde because that's what's underneath the purple and the black hair dye. While pointing bottle away from face, remove cap on applicator bottle number 2. Pour your entire contents of bottle number 1 into applicator bottle 2. Replace cap on applicator bottle 2 and shake well for 30 seconds. While pointing bottle away from face, remove cap and place applicator nozzle on applicator bottle 2. Cut nozzle tip if necessary. I know, you love me, Luna, but I'm busy and I don't want you over here because this stuff smells like egg. So here are the two bottles that Color Oops comes with. We have number 1 and number 2. We are supposed to pour number 1 into number 2 and then shake it for 30 seconds. So my hair's already falling out. So that's cool. Oh yeah, really get some rotten egg smells there. You can definitely tell it's lightening. I just put the cap on my hair to keep the heat in. Now you want to process this up to 20 minutes, no longer than that. Once you are done processing, it says to rinse with warm water and shampoo, then rinse for 15 to 20 minutes. That's a long time. Shampoo again and rinse for another 5 minutes. Repeat 2 more times. Additional rinsing is needed for longer, thicker hair. This step is very important for desired results. The more you rinse, the better your results. I will come back when I've done all of those steps. Here's the result of my hair. It's not as light as I wanted it to be, which does suck because it means I'm going to have to bleach my hair. It's like a bluish, greenish color, and it's really odd and weird looking, and I just look funky. But as you can tell, the brown is a lot lighter, which is awesome because when I bleach that, it's going to lighten way faster and be less damaging. Unfortunately, under the top layer of my hair, you can see that there's still a lot of brown and a lot less of the fun vivid color. Not that the fun vivid color is actually looking good right now, but you get the point. There's a lot of brown, so I'm going to have to be bleaching that out. I'm probably just going to be doing my roots brown. I'm going to be bleaching my hair in the next video, so hit that subscribe button and you will see when that video is out. It'll probably be a week after this one. But if you guys like this video, then give it a big old thumbs up and comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!